Hey traders, John Halley. In this video, I'm going to be answering basically a comment. I'll be talking about a comment that was made on my YouTube video just recently, and I want to talk to you about why this is one of the biggest mistakes you can do. And if you've been through this, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Let's get straight into it. Guys, do not place trade or based on what you see in this video today. Trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss. There is no guarantees of making money in the markets. So be smart about the way that you're trading. All right, now let's actually go through this here. All right, so the thing is that I had a guy here named Paul. Okay, now I'm not really pointing anyone out here, but Paul was saying, or I'm not really having a go at anyone here. I'm just trying to educate people based on some shit that I've done in the past as well too. So if I look at this here, right, and let me actually see if I can bring in. Can I bring in this here? All right, cool. There we go. So let me bring this here. Paul says, I think in the long run, a good time to buy. I think in the long run, a good time to buy slowly in mines or in the miners. Many miners have already reached lows of 2016. Not a bad speculated time. One of the worst things you can do is buy because it's low, because it can go lower, right? Silver and gold have been low for quite some time. Try to keep buying GE for the last say 12 months because it's low. You know what I mean? Like, don't buy something just because it's low. And firstly, don't ever speculate in the market. That's gambling attitude. You're just throwing your money away. You might as well take your money and go give it to some sort of charity that you believe in, because that's all you're gonna do, right? You're throwing your money away. Do not speculate in the markets. So I said here, never try to pick buttons, there you go, or tops in the markets. Right, I even edited this bitch and I still didn't get it right. Oh, there you go. So then I had this guy here, and he also said, I think it's a good time to speculate. It appears there is a worldwide coordinate effort to eliminate the central banks. I also believe we are headed towards real money, high probability precious metals based. All right, so here is the thing. Firstly, I think it's a good time to speculate. It is never a good time to speculate in the markets. If you want to be long-term, if you're seriously doing this to do really well long-term, never speculate in the market. Get in based on a plan, right? You said it appears that the worldwide blah, 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 blah. Where the hell did you hear that from? Did you hear that from some YouTube video and with some really good music and it drilled that into your head that this is what's happening? Guess what? They've been saying this shit now for the last 10 years. Right? It's like, it's like this is what they're going to eliminate the central banks, and it's going to be headed towards real money, and everyone that has dollars right now, it's, if they don't have gold and silver, then they're going to be left out. Seriously, if that was the case, if that was really the case, you'd see these really successful people out there say, you know what, this is what we're doing here, and so on and so forth, right? It's not like Ray Dalio, the most successful hedge fund manager on the planet, is saying, hey, you better have some physical silver and gold, otherwise you are going to be, you know what I mean? It's like, what is that? If you look at that here, right, and this is what a lot of people do. Firstly, they speculate. You're just throwing your money away. I guarantee you're going to lose it. Firstly, you're getting in based on something that you think is going to happen. You don't know what's going to happen. And also, secondly, you're getting in based on fear, right? It's like, I'm fearful this is going to happen, so I better do this. Don't do that, right? Never get into a position based on what you think, hope, or fear. Because what you think, hope, or fear, I guarantee you, 9 times out of 10 is always wrong. Always wrong. And you said, I believe we are headed towards real money, high probability precious metal based. Really? Precious metal based? Well, we don't know that, right? We don't know that. No one knows that. And put it this way. The thing is that when we're looking at these markets and when we're trading these markets, the most important thing to you as a trader is just to keep trading, just keep trading. Trading a high probability trading setup every single time. Never, ever speculate in the markets. You're a fool if you want to do that. Why? Because I was a fool when I used to do that. And every single time, 9 times out of 10, it was always wrong. Like, for example, For example, silver and gold. Silver and gold should be booming right now based on all the stuff that's been out there for the last 5 years. That's still going lower. Tesla. Tesla, last 5 years, the biggest, shortest company out there on the planet. You know, it's like, Tesla doesn't make any money. How can it keep going up? What's been happening for that in the last few weeks has been going through the roof. You know what I mean? Like, never, but the chart's been saying, you know what, we're building a lot of strength here. I even did a video based on that. So follow along with the market. The market is going to tell you. You're not smarter than the market, so follow along with the market. Yes, we may be going through a high probability precious metal based, but you try to get in now thinking that you're going to pick the bottom. Who says we're not going to get another 10 or 20% drop in gold? Who says this is not going to head down to $700? Well, that's not going to happen, John. Really? Do you really know that? Well, you know what? No one said silver was going to drop down because all the fundamentals said silver's about to explode to the upside. But guess what's happened guess what's happened with silver? It's been getting hammered. You know what I mean? Like, be smart about the way that you're doing things. Don't just willy-nilly get into the markets. Have some structure. Have a plan in place. Before you go, make sure you grab the free Grab the Markets by the Ballers training course. In this training course, you're going to learn the top 13 deadly mistakes, the success formula, charting boundaries, the PT method, the ultimate trading system, the blast-off trading system, number one in trading indicator, the $1 million trade and money management, how successful traders approach the market, and so much more. Get this training course for free right now. Click on the very first link in the description to get this whole complete trading course to give you the edge on your side of trading this market. Do that right now, and I'll see you on the other side.